And they're up. Primavera draws for your lead. Mike Zam, lady reporter, just like it. Moving up down on the inside. Then running on the outside is Marty Gibson, followed by Sheila Princess Robin Good. And by the rail, Pictaboom, while Wow Wow West is running at the tail of the field, about to pass the last 900. Primavera in command by about a length and a half. Reporter is running in second, then running in third, and fast approaching is Marty Gibson. Robin Good down in fourth, just like it, fading out. Mike Zam Lady past the last 600. Primavera by 3/4 of a length lead. Moving up on the outside is Marty Gibson. Robin Good now catching the third spot. Reporter drops back in fourth and moving up just like it. Mike Zam Lady as they turn for home. Primavera still leading the field is Marty Gibson now leveling up on the outside with the last 150 more to run. Primavera is Marty Gibson is on the outside. Primavera is Marty Gibson giving the final burst of energy. And finally Primavera is Marty Gibson. Reporter just like it. Pictaboom for your Pentapecta.